Hi, welcome to another video about Audi A2 project Youngtimer. In this video I will replace the temporary CCU unit with the CCU unit with the repaired CCU unit that I have received today by post. So it should work. The repair should be permanent, so this CCU unit should not have any other problems in the future, so hopefully it will be like that. In one of the previous videos I've shown how to remove the CCU unit, so this time I will go just quickly over it, and then we will check with the diagnostic tool if the CCU unit is okay, really okay, and if needed we will pair the keys and verify that the windows, everything works. So I will now replace the CCU units, and then we will check with the diagnostic tool if this CCU unit works. Now I will just quickly replace the unit which is under the footwell. I will take out the rubber mat, and then I just get this up like this, and here is the storage compartment for the CCU unit. Let's open it. That's it. That one is already just another this. Let's take the cover off, and now here we have the CCU unit. This was the temporary CCU units that I bought, so that I was able to lock the car and use other functions. So let's just take this out. So this is the temporary CCU unit, and let's install now the CCU unit, the repaired CCU unit that I received today. Just connect. You need to be a little bit careful not to break anything. That's it. Okay, let's start it from this side. Like this one, and this one. They just click easily, and let's place it to the position. Watch for the cables here and just press it down. That's it. The repaired CCU unit is in, and now let's just put in the cover. This, let's lock it. That's it. This one. Okay, and the third one. And you need to do this, and the rubber mat, and we are finished with the installation. That's it, and now let's go forward with the checking if everything works. So CCU unit, the repaired one, is installed, and now let's check if everything works. If yes, the window works, this one also, the interior lights work, rear windows work, perfect. So the CCU unit should be okay. Now let's test with the diagnostic tool if it really works. I turned on the ignition, and let's go to module 46. That's it. Let it connect, and let's check if there is any trouble code about faulty module. Okay, so there are a few trouble codes here. Let me just clear them, and we'll see what will happen. That's it. And I will just cycle the ignition back on and again back on, and now let's see if there is any trouble code. Back. Yes, only trouble code that can't lock for the rear left door, which is the problem. I need to repair it, but there is no trouble code about faulty CCU module. So this is perfect. Let us check the coding of module 46. There are a few things that we need to check. First, the easiest one is the coding. And if we go, okay, so we here we see that the coding is the same as it was the original coding. So here is the description, but since it is the same, I will just leave it as it is. You can check my first original coding in the video part 1 about CCU replacement. And then we need to go to the adaptation, and here we have a few remote control matching. We will use this for the remote controls to match. And here we have heater air conditioning. Okay, so if we wait here, yeah, this car has air conditioning installed, so we need to save it to 1 and save. Yes. Okay, let's read it again. It is. So now if we check again, just to verify, yes, 1 air conditioning installed. Okay, it is installed. Good. This is it. And now we go to the third part that we need to check, variant reduction. If I wait here, it will show the description. And as you can see, +2 for remote control installed. So this car has remote control, so 2 has to be. But +1 is rear mechanical window regulator. So this means that the car does not have rear windows, electrical windows. But since this car has, so I will not add 1. So 2 is okay. It's perfect. So now that I verified that everything works, let's try also the remote controls. And they don't work, so we need to pair them again. So this can be done via 2 options. First is diagnostic tool, and we'll try it with this. I will turn the ignition on. As we can check here if we go under module 46 and go for the, that's it. Just open, and we can go to measuring blocks. And 007, channel 007. As you can see, adaptive key memory positions is 0. So there is no key paired. Let's go, let's go back to module 46. And we will go now to adaptation, and there is an option remote key matching here. Let's go remote control matching, and now I will select position. Let's read. That's it. I will select position 1. As you can see here, it's adjustment, and it's said recognized. I will save it. Yes. And now let's see if there is any change here. No, the matching was not successful. So let's try again. Control matching. That's it. Let's go position 1 and adjustment. The recognized. Save. Yes. And let's go back and let's check now if it works. No, it does not work. Still, yeah, it should work. the position 1 is occupied. So now if I take the other key out, let's see, and yes, as you can see, the first key works. Now let's try to pair also the second one. I'll turn the ignition on, go back to central locking, and let's see if I will be able to pair also the second one. So we need to go to adaptation. That's it. Remote control matching. And now I will go to position 2. Okay. I'll press the unlock button. It said recognized, and now I will save it. Yes. Now let's see if also the position 2 is occupied. No. The matching was not successful. Let's try again. So I will now just write like this, and that's it. Press enter, and now I'm pressing the unlock key. Okay, recognized. And now I will save, and let's see if yes, now we have here 1 1, so position 1 and 2 are taken, are paired. And let's see if it works. Also the second key, yes, it works. So 1 and 2. So this was a good day today. Thank you for watching. If you want to see the first part where I explained also what are the problems with this CCU unit, you can see the video up there. There's the part 1, and this was the part 2, and the CCU unit is repaired, installed, and hopefully it will not give any more problems in the future. Thank you. Bye. Bye.